Hey there, here I've got the 4x8 premium foldable mats by We Sell Mats. I've got two of them here. This blue one we've had for about 4 to 6 years, somewhere in that range. This black one is pretty much brand new. We got this maybe a month ago. We have them right now, they're out in our garage. We use them for wrestling practice. And then one of our kids likes to take them inside and use them for building forts and doing little flips and stuff on. Along with the kids using them, my wife and I use these. We do aerobic exercises on them. We do squat jumps and like plyometric kind of things. So this one gets a lot of heavy usage and has for many years. My point there is these are holding up really well. When you get more than one of them, they do connect. It's got Velcro to lock them together, and they go together really well, and they don't shift or anything. We haven't had any complaints about any injuries or feeling like it's too rough on like the knees or anything. The kids wrestle really hard on these, and so far so good. On all sides they have Velcro, so you can build these out in any direction you want. If you want to get like 10 of them or whatever, you can keep just attaching them, and again, they stay firmly put together. When it comes time to fold them up, they fold nicely and they stick together, so you kind of, it's like a huge briefcase. They kind of just stay, the Velcro kind of locks them together, and the handles make it really easy to carry around. This is the premium version. They have a non-premium. I think they use just better material for the coating on this. I did see some not so great reviews on the non-premium version, so we kind of went with the premium, and we're glad we did because it's really holding up well. We had one for a really long time, and just getting an extra additional one to attach to it made it a whole big square, and what a difference that makes. We use this so much more now, and we've used this a lot as is, but just having that extra space makes such a difference in what you can use these for. I think 2 is pretty much the perfect number, especially because it doesn't take up too much space, and even when you're done, you can fold them up and put them out of the way somewhere. These are really nice mats, and they're holding up really well.